YouTube, back again with another video. So we gonna get right to it, y'all. Y'all know I'm a part of the female fam. Every 3 months that female come out, and y'all, it came. So I'm a little late with doing this video. Mine came Tuesday night. No, it came Wednesday, but I got home late. Wasn't really feeling it, so I got home a little earlier today. So I figured, hey, let me sit down and get to it because I am dying to see what's in here. Just a little background, about Femailer. It is a subscription based mailer. It comes every 3 months, so we get summer, fall, winter, spring. You get 4 a year. It's $30 every 3 months. If you look at it, that's just $10 a month. Really not bad. It ships out on the 15th of each month, and you get like 6 to 8 products. It's full size. You don't have to worry about samples. And I know with today's day and age, one great thing about it is black and female owned. So let's get into this. So as y'all can see, I'm like real life opening this. I didn't cheat. Usually once I get the email that my female has shipped, I stop like looking at their social media posts because I don't want to see what's in it. I want to give you guys like my genuine reaction. Mine is like the little spoilers they give us, which I know one of them is like the Smashbox primer, but I can't remember which one. But let's get in there. So we got this. I want to say every female that I've gotten so far has come with like a little cute bag. I remember the first female I got, which was the fall of last year. It came with a denim clutch, and it's so cute. I use it all the time. And now we got this, and it has a little femaler. Oh, you probably can't see it because of the light, but the female tag on it, really, really cute. I wish I would have had this when I went to Destin back in April, because this would have been really, really cute to like bring to the beach, you know, put like my phone and stuff in here when we went to the beach. But I am sure I will find something to do with this because I like it. It's really cute. All right, and so now on to the good stuff. So like in every femailer, you get, oh, I'm sorry, I got it. This, it's a little message. And now they're themed. So the last one was for like women empowerment, and it was like, you know, women and successful women. So this one is themed, these are the golden days. If there's anything the last 365 days have taught us, it's that it's more important now than ever to be present and to seize the moment. Though at times we may not realize it, these days we are living in are truly our golden days. Ones we will look back on and think those were the days. Now it's time to love on family, enjoy friends, capture the moments, and be grateful for all that life has thrown our way. As we plan this for this season summer femailer, I hope is that you not only make memories that last a lifetime, but that you truly appreciate them today. To help you do this, we've included an array of items, including face primer for capturing those great photos, a bikini bag to make great memories at the beach, body butter to keep you shining, and all things you need to keep radiating that irresistible summer glow from head to toe. Stay golden, the Femailer family. So I guess y'all see this was a bikini bag, but it's still cute. So, and then on this side, you see what's in here. So we already saw the bikini bag, which of course it says it's a multi-use bag and it's waterproof. So that's really, really good. So the first thing I pulled out was this. And It is the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Face Mask. Sexy skin for the win. Cleans your pores and removes makeup in just 3 minutes. So I've seen these before in like Walmart, but I've never bought one before, so I guess this would be really, really good to use on like a self-care day. Alright, let's move on to the next. Okay, since I touched it, I'm gonna just open it. But I see what it is already. If I can open it. And we got some sunglasses. They're cute. Oh yeah, I like these. Super cute. So yeah, I can add these to the collection of sunglasses. Super duper cute. All right, next is Cantu for skin and hair cocoa butter raw blend. So unbothered and moisturized all summer long. Reveal your natural radiance with this 100% pure ultra radiating raw blend. So I don't know if y'all can see that. Love, love, love. And like I said, you get full size products. Like this is a 5.5 ounce jar. I wanted to smell it for y'all, but I'll open it later. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll talk about this and I'll give you guys a review on it. Okay. Next product. Ooh. Cantu Jamaican Black Castor Oil Detangling Primer. I never even heard of this before, so I wanted to focus. There we go. Yeah, I never even heard of this before. So yeah, I'm most definitely gonna get a review on this, and it probably will be tomorrow because I have to wash my hair, and so I'll most likely record that video to upload later on during the week. So yeah, y'all gonna get a review on this. And then next we have the Cantu Acai Berry Revitalizing Treatment Mask. So again, like I said, you'll probably get a review on these products because tomorrow is wash day. And once again, like I said, full size products. Let me see if I can smell this one. Ooh, look at this consistency. It smells good too. And then last but not least, it is the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. Now this one is a little small, but for the primer, it's small. But I'm excited to use this because I saw this one in the sneak peek that they give you on their Instagram. So I'm excited for this one, and I'm probably gonna use it this weekend because I'm going somewhere and I'm doing my makeup. So yeah, so that is everything that I received in my summer femailer. I am excited as always. Like I said, I do not think that I have had a femailer yet. Well, I have not liked a product that I've received. I think in the next mailer, it'll be like 1 year since I've started getting the mailers. So I'll go back and do like a recap of like my favorite items that I've received from femailer, because like I said, I still use them. They are a part of my day-to-day life. For the ones that I haven't run out of, like even if I run out of them because femailer introduced me to them, I repurchase them. So yeah, that's it for this video. Remember, if you want to see more videos like this, remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.